Hello, friends. Are you bothered by recurrent cold and cough infections, or are you suffering from allergic rhinitis or allergic cough? Then here's one recipe which you can try it at home by using very simple ingredients which can be available at your home or in the market, and it will be an excellent immunity booster which you should definitely try. What you need is lemongrass leaves, then whole spices like cinnamon, clove, and whole pepper. Then you need bilva patra and parijat leaves if it is available, some tulsi leaves, 1 tablespoon of ajwain, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. In a vessel, add 2 glasses of water and then start the flame. First, cut the lemongrass leaves right into the pan in the water. Then add parijat leaves if it is available. Then add tulsi leaves. Then add bilva patra, that is bay leaves. Then add whole spices, that is clove, then whole pepper and cinnamon. Then you have to add the coriander powder, then ajwain, and lastly 1 tablespoon of sugar if you like it. And then stir the mixture well and then let it boil. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes and then just filter it out, and here your immunity booster kadha is ready. Enjoy.